Welcome to our YouTube channel Uflyer. Today we will be discussing about different types of questions associated with IELTS reading. For those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please watch the full video so that you gather every knowledge about IELTS reading question format. Reading is one of the most important modules of IELTS. For both general and academic, the types of questions remain the same. The basic layout of the reading section is available in our previous video on IELTS. You can find the link in the description. Let's now talk about the types of questions you need to answer in IELTS reading examination. There are different kinds of questions for each of the passages that appears in the IELTS reading examination. Number 1. Multiple choice questions. IELTS reading multiple choice questions have about 3 to 4 options from which we have to choose our answer. This might be in the form of a question and answer, or choose a correct ending to a sentence. These answers appear in chronological order according to the passage. Here is a sample of a multiple choice question. Number 2. True, false, not given questions. These questions are very tricky. This question consists of several statements. If the statement given in the question is present in the article, then you need to mark it as true. If the statement is found to be the opposite or contradicting of the sentence that is there in the passage, then it should be marked as false. If the statement given in the question is not at all present in the article, then it should be marked as not given. Do not spend a lot of time finding the sentence which is not there. Here is a sample of a true, false, not given question. Number 3. Yes, no, not given questions. Similar to the true, false, not given questions, yes, no, not given questions also have various statements. But here you are asked to agree or disagree with the statement based on the opinion of the author. Here is a sample of a yes, no, not given question. Number 4. Matching questions. There are various types of matching questions in IELTS reading tests, and each one is different from the other. Firstly, matching headings. In this type of question, a list of headings will be given and you are asked to match these headings with a paragraph in the passage. You should read the headings before you begin reading the text. To get the correct answer, you have to read the complete paragraph and not just stop with the first few lines of the paragraph. There will also be many other headings that are not related to any of the paragraphs given in the passage. In such cases, try to identify those types of headings to avoid confusion. Here is a sample matching headings question. Secondly, matching information. Matching information questions have a list that contains information taken from the paragraphs. You are asked to find out the paragraph from which the information is taken. Sometimes the question may be tricky because the information given might not be in exact words as given in the paragraph, instead it will be paraphrased. So you need to read the paragraph to understand the meaning or idea behind it to answer these questions. Here is a sample matching information question. Thirdly, matching features. In this type of question, there will be a list of items in the box, and you need to match these items by reading and understanding some sentences in the passages. The list may be of the name of people or cities. For example, if there is a name of a person in the box of items, then the question may be to match the sentence with the person who said them. Like other types of match questions, some of the items mentioned may not be available in the passage. So, to save time, read the passage before answering each question. Here is a sample matching features question. Lastly, matching sentence endings. In this type of question, you need to connect two halves of the sentences. The first half of the sentence will be already given. You need to find out which is the appropriate ending for the sentence from the list given. While choosing from the list, you need to keep the following things in mind. 1. There should not be any grammatical errors in the sentence. 2. The ending sentence chosen by you should make sense. The sentence should have the same meaning as the sentence in the passage. Number 5. Sentence completion and short answer questions. IELTS reading sentence completion and short answer questions are almost similar. In sentence completion, you'll be asked to fill in the blank spaces using the words given in the text. Whereas, in short answers, you'll have to take words from the given text to write the short answers. It is important to pay close attention to the instructions that are given in the question, because in some instructions there will be a word limit mentioned and you may lose marks if you don't follow it. Here is a sample short answer question. Number 6. Note, table, diagram and summary completion questions. In note, table, summary, and diagram completion questions, you will be asked to complete a set of notes, tables, diagrams, or a summary based on the information given in the text. Sometimes the question will be to write a short answer, and sometimes you'll have to choose from the list of answers given. Usually, these kinds of questions will only be based on one part of the passage, so you won't have to read the whole passage to fill in the important information. Here are few examples. Hope the video was helpful and enhanced your knowledge about the different types of questions you need to answer in IELTS reading module. Please give you honest reviews by commenting down below. Thank you. For more updates on IELTS, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.